I still feel the need for speed. And so I'm going to be diving back into that workshop with you on Thursday, November 2nd at 4:30 p.m. Eastern. It is Halloween. I got my crown on. I got my little ghost buddies waiting for the trick-or-treaters, but I'm so excited to get back into this workshop with you. So this is the same presentation I did back on Tuesday, October 24th with some awesome updates. Okay, we've tightened it up a little bit. So plan on being with me for about 60 minutes. And we're going to be meeting at a different time of day. So 4:30 in the afternoon, New York time. So this is going to better accommodate those of you who weren't able to make that 8 p.m. session back on Tuesday, October 24th. So be sure to let me know you're excited, okay? Because as you can see, I'm all ready to go for you here. And I want you to type in the comments below. Let me know, speed again, or I'm back in, or I'll see you there, or 2x if it's gonna be your second time around, okay? Put in your comment of your choice so that I know you're excited for this workshop, and I will personally reply to every single one of you. So I got to get back in and get ready for trick-or-treaters and get ready to give you that treat on Thursday, November 2nd at 4:30 p.m. Eastern. Look forward to seeing you there because I feel the need for speed, and you will too once you see what we dive into in this workshop. Catch you there.